The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most dangerous regions of the planet. A water spot that swallowed dozens of ships and planes, an area that occupied the whole world. There are many stories about a bloody monster living there, and there are those who say that the place is the landing site of aliens, secret gates to travel to areas we do not know. Legends say that it is the abode of a dangerous demon. The latest explanations in 2019 in this region, most notably a terrifying fact that will shock you. Facts of the Bermuda Triangle myth. The Bermuda Triangle has an area of about 1.3 million square kilometers, and extends from Florida to Puerto Rico to Bermuda, and since the 19th century more than 1,000 disappeared cases have been reported in the Bermuda region. Especially giant ships with a length of more than 150 meters and more than 300 people traveling on board. Statistics say that more than 300 ships and more than 70 aircraft have disappeared, and the reason is still unknown. Initially, the world thought it was just accidents, although in the 19th century, exactly in 1872, the world faced a mystery called the ghost ship, which has not yet been resolved. However, the scientists did not discover the Bermuda Triangle at the time. Until the famous 19th mysterious incident occurred, the world felt something strange happening in that region. We start with the story of the ghost ship that was named after the accident because its real name is Mary Celeste, the most famous case of a ship in history because its mystery has not yet been solved. Her crew did not know that it was their last trip, not the ship, yes, because the strange thing is that the ship remained intact, without scratches. He was on board the ship Benjamin Briggs, his wife and 2-year-old daughter and a crew of 7 sailors. The flight departs from New York to Genoa, Italy, and is filled with 1,700 barrels of raw alcohol. A few days after the trip, exactly on November 25, there was a British ship called Diocratesia, which was sailing in the Atlantic Ocean, until the Mary Celeste ship appeared sailing with a partial emblem without any flaws. But the strange thing is that no one on the Atlantic Ocean alive through it. Interestingly, the lifeboat has disappeared and all the things inside are intact and tidy in place, which means if there is a hypothesis that the pirates attacked it, this is unlikely. Even the expensive alcohol barrels are still in place. Even the hypothesis of a creature, earthquake, or natural phenomenon is unlikely. The strangest thing is that to this day no one from the crew has been found. Thus, this ship was called the ghost ship. During World War I, the USS Cyclops disappeared, the largest victim incident in U.S. history. There were more than 300 passengers on board the ship. To this day there is no conclusive evidence to prove what happened, and there are many theories about it. The world began to take the Bermuda Triangle legend seriously in 1945, after the famous Flight No. 19 disappeared, when 5 U.S. Navy bombers disappeared in mysterious circumstances during a routine training mission. A rescue plane was sent to find them, but they did not return. The last speech was delivered by the leader of the squadron, "Damn it, everything was wrong." Since then, the area has been called the Bermuda Triangle.